Good day! Today, we are going to talk about visualizing ratio of two given numbers. What is a ratio? A ratio is the comparison of two different things or numbers. It is expressed in two ways, as fraction and using a colon between two quantities. Let us explore this lesson together. Look at the picture. How many pupils are there? There are 11 pupils. How many teachers are there? There is only one teacher. How many chairs are there? There are 15 chairs. How many tables are there? There are 16 tables. How do we compare the number of pupils to the number of chairs in the column? There are 11 pupils and 15 chairs. So if we are to compare the number of pupils to the number of chairs using colon, we write 11 is to 15, which reads 11 is to 15. How do we compare the number of chairs to the number of tables in the column? There are 15 chairs and 16 tables. So if we are to compare the number of chairs to the number of tables using colon, we write 15 is to 16, which reads 15 is to 16. How do we compare the number of teachers to the number of pupils in the column? There are 1 teacher and 11 pupils. So if we are to compare the number of teachers to the number of pupils using colon, we write 1 is to 11, which reads 1 is to 11. Take note that the quantities is of the same order with the sequence as it is presented in the statement. Let us give the ratio for the following set of pictures. How many pencils and notebooks are there? There are 3 pencils and 6 notebooks. What is the ratio of pencils to notebooks? The answer? 3 is to 6, which reads 3 is to 6. How many eggs and baskets are there? There are 7 eggs and 4 baskets. What is the ratio of eggs to baskets? The answer? 7 is to 4, which reads 7 is to 4. How many roses and flower pots are there? There are 8 roses and 5 flower pots. What is the ratio of roses to flower pots? The answer? 8 is to 5, which reads 8 is to 5. Let us try this. Brian has 40 marbles of different colors, red 5, blue 10, green 20, and yellow 5. Find the ratio of the following statements. What is the ratio of red marbles to green marbles? The answer: 5:20. What is the ratio of blue marbles to yellow marbles? The answer: 10:5. What is the ratio of green marbles to blue marbles? The answer: 20:10. What is the ratio of red marbles to the total number of marbles? The answer: 5:40. Keep in mind that the ratio of red marbles to green marbles, 5:20, is different from the ratio of green marbles to red marbles, which is 20:5. When writing a ratio, it is very important that you consider the correct order of the things given in this statement. Try to divide 5 by 20 and then divide also 20 by 5. Did you get the same answer? For sure, the answers are different. This is the very reason that you should follow the correct order of the quantities as described in the statement. A ratio is also defined as the quotient of the first quantity divided by the second quantity. Therefore, a ratio is also a fraction. The first quantity is placed in the numerator and the second quantity is placed in the denominator. So if we are to express the ratio of 5 red marbles to 20 green marbles in fraction form, we have 5/20. Let us do this activity. Give the ratio in column form and in fraction form. What is the ratio of banana to apple? The answer: 4:5. Or 4/5. What is the ratio of pineapple to orange? The answer: 3:6. Or 3/6. What is the ratio of watermelon to apple? The answer: 2:5. Or 2/5. What is the ratio of orange to pineapple? The answer: 6:3. Or 6/3. What is the ratio of total number of fruits to watermelon? The answer: 20:2. Or 20/2. Let us summarize the lesson. A ratio is the comparison of two different things or numbers. It is expressed in two ways, as fraction and using a colon between two quantities. Give the ratio in colon form and in fraction form. Princess went to the zoo. She listed all the animals she saw. On her list, you can see 8 tigers, 4 crocodiles, 2 lions, 10 parrots, 5 snakes, and 3 giraffe. What is the ratio of tiger to crocodile? The answer: 8:4. 8/4. What is the ratio of lion to snake? The answer: 2:5. 2/5. What is the ratio of parrot to giraffe? The answer: 10:3. 10/3. What is the ratio of giraffe to parrot? The answer: 3:10. 3/10. What is the ratio of parrot to total number of animals? The answer, 10 is to the 32. 10 over 32. Write the ratio in column form and in fraction form. 20 roses to 3 teddies. The answer, 20 is to 3. 23rd. 24 boys to 30 girls. The answer, 24 is to 30. 24 over 30. 7 bananas to 10 mangoes. The answer, 7 is to 10. 7/10. 1 hen to 12 eggs. The answer, 1 is to 12. 1/12. 5 cakes to 7 persons. 5 is to 7. 5/7. For your assignment, write your answer on your notebook. Happy learning! Salamat!